This PhD thesis, which is also called a dissertation, was handwritten by Paul Dirac and simply titled Quantum Mechanics. He submitted it at Cambridge in May 1926. While some pages contain beautiful handwriting, seemingly written in pen, others contain scratched math written out and often crossed out in pencil. In one corner of a page, a seemingly unrelated drawing of a candlestick appears. Dirac's thesis was the first to be written on the subject of quantum mechanics, which had only been introduced by Heisenberg a year earlier. At the time, Dirac was only 24 years old. Dirac writes in his preface that the following dissertation is a development of this theory from a slightly different point from that of Heisenberg's paper. The table of contents shows that the thesis covers ideas such as algebraic axioms, motion of a particle in a central field, frequencies of the hydrogen spectrum, systems with more than 2 electrons, quantum time, theory of Compton scattering, and intensity of scattered radiation. These are all key ideas that you would still expect to see in any quantum mechanics textbook today. Throughout his thesis, Dirac lays the groundwork for a new mathematical approach to quantum mechanics. The pages aren't laid out particularly linearly, and honestly, it's hard to read this thesis, but you can skim through it. Here it looks like he might be developing the Dirac delta functions that came to be named after him, and I think we get his thoughts towards what would go on to be known as the Dirac equation, something that is now considered one of the most important equations in quantum mechanics. The Dirac equation merges quantum mechanics with special relativity, describing particles moving at close to the speed of light. Thinking about these ideas helped lead to discoveries including the positron, and in 1933, Dirac was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, along with Erwin Schrödinger, for his contribution to the discovery of new productive forms of atomic theory.